Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 7. Give some practice sentences in the past tense for daily conversations. Answer. Here are some practice sentences in the past tense for daily conversations. I woke up early this morning. She prepared breakfast for the family. They went to the market to buy groceries. We visited our grandparents last weekend. He studied for his exams all night. I watched FGN channel with my friends yesterday. She cleaned the house before the guests arrived. They played football in the park after school. I forgot my keys at home. He called his friend to wish him a happy birthday. She cooked biryani for dinner last night. We attended a concert last Saturday. I completed my homework on time. He fixed the broken chair in the living room. She sang her favorite song at the party. They missed the bus because they were late. I walked to the store to buy some snacks. He helped his younger brother with his homework. She watered the plants in the garden. We spent the afternoon at the wedding hall. I wrote an email to my teacher yesterday. He read a book about space exploration. She lost her phone at the mall. They enjoyed a delicious meal at the new restaurant. I slept early last night because I was tired. I went to the market yesterday. She cooked dinner for her family last night. They played football in the park. He watched Kids Madani channel at home. I met my friend at the coffee shop. We studied together for the exam. He forgot his keys at home. They arrived late for the meeting. He read an interesting book last week. I called you, but you didn't answer. She wrote a letter to her grandmother. He helped his brother with homework. We visited the museum on Sunday. They cleaned their house in the morning. She bought a beautiful dress at the mall. These sentences are simple and great for practicing past tense conversations. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.